I think more than 100 is a sign of good luck, inspired by Arjuna and Krishna. This is Krishna in disguise. This is a face of the horse, the body of the human being. I want to stay in that Umaid Palace. It would be your city, Chandigarh.
Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to an all-new episode of Guftagoo with Nav. एंड आज के एपिसोड में हम करने वाले हैं बहुत ही कलरफुल एंड क्रिएटिव गपशप. फॉर दोज हु डू नॉट नो, मैं हूं नवनीत, एन आर्किटेक्ट, स्टाइलिस्ट एंड योर वेरी ओन DIY एंथुजियास्ट. एंड आज मैं आपको लेके जाने वाली हूँ एक ऐसे स्टूडियो के अंदर विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट विंटेज एलिमेंट्स एंड एंटीक टेक्सचर्स. तो अगर मेरी तरह ऑल थिंग्स विंटेज एक्साइट यू तो आ जाओ, लेट्स हेड स्ट्रेट इन एंड मीट द फाउंडर ऑफ रिवाइव होम एंड लेट्स टुगेदर हियर हर इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी दैट स्टार्टेड इट ऑल.
Hi Navneet.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm all good.
Welcome to our store. I'm Sangeeta from brand Revive Home.
Thank you, and I'm so glad to be here. You know, the moment I entered, I just couldn't lay my eyes off this door. So, सबसे पहले I'm going to start from here. Tell me about the inspiration behind this colorful store and how did you pick up this door?
So this is all because of my passion for art and vintage pieces. And this door is actually coming from Rajasthan, made up of old collectible wood, and it's completely sustainable and handmade by the artisans.
So nice. It's absolutely a stunner.
So Navneet, let me show around the store to you.
I can see there are a lot of historical pieces here. Are these from the Ramayana?
Yes, this is totally from Ramayana, inspired by Ramayana, and they are puppets.
Beautiful, beautiful pieces.
They are like an accent piece to any home.
Oh. Tell me something about the process. Like, how do you curate? How do you finalize that this product is going to come to the store?
So, you know, this is purely my passion. I lived this dream. I started dreaming about curating a collection like this while I was traveling to different parts of India. And it pushed me, and I think this was the right time. I started this. So I promote lots of artisans. I inspire them to make the collection, and this is all about my curation.
So you are the final say. You pick up the pieces. That this is the piece which is going to come to the store.
Yes.
Wonderful. Beautiful.
And the color schemes as well. So we keep the contemporary homes in mind. We think that each contemporary home needs a piece of conversation. If somebody enters your home, it should be wow.
Yes, of course, it should be. Oh my God, that's such a lovely piece. What is that exactly?
So you see in lots of old forts and palaces, you would see like a gatekeeper. So this is a face of the horse, the body of the human being, and it's kept at the entrances.
Oh, such a beautiful darban, I would say, है ना?
Yes, it's a beautiful darban.
Very, very nice piece. Oh, there's so much here. I don't know what to ask you about. इसके बारे में बताओ.
So this is Garuda.
Yeah.
Garuda, as per Vastu, is a sign of good luck. People like to keep Garudas in their home, and especially people in South. I think every home has this.
Oh, very nice. Oh, this is really beautiful. What exactly is this?
This is called Navagunjara, inspired by Arjuna and Krishna. This is Krishna in disguise.
Okay. So Nav Arjuna means it has something to do with 9?
Yes. So can you guess? What is it?
So I can see. Do we have 9 animals here?
Yes.
Oh.
And a human being.
Oh, okay. I can spot a snake here. Is this a peacock?
Yes.
Okay. And a horse and a camel.
A tiger.
And this?
Rooster. And this is a human hand.
Oh.
So this is a combination of 9.
Oh, wow. This is really stunning piece. So have you faced challenges, and what kind of challenges have you faced through all this time?
I would say the most challenging is bringing the right color to any product. You know, if the product is not brought to the life, it's not brought to the reality, and it doesn't hit your heart, it doesn't make any sense.
So with the modern contemporary homes these days, do you feel that these vintage elements fit into the minimalist interiors? And is there a demand around these worldwide?
You'll be shocked. You'll be really surprised how much these pieces are in demand. You know, I've always been telling people that you need one piece of conversation in your home, and these are the pieces. All across the world, people are really appreciating this form of art. So be it America, be it Canada, be it Europe, they are in great demand. Even Europeans love it.
Oh yes, and tell me who wouldn't want this chair in their home? I just love it. And I think now we should have some fun conversation sitting on these chairs.
Of course.
So chalo baiठते हैं. So we've seen your beautiful store and now we're sitting here on these gorgeous chairs and I'm going to ask you some questions which are going to be fun and I really hope to get some honest answers and spontaneous answers from you.
Absolutely.
So kare shuru.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. The first question here is, if you had to describe your store in 3 words, what would they be?
Vintage, architectural, treasure house.
Now, next question is, because you're an art lover, so here the question goes, if you could time travel, which period of art would you want to experience?
I always say I'm a queen of Jodhpur. I want to stay in that Umaid Palace.
You look like a queen today.
Thank you.
Okay. So what's your favorite color palette?
Orange and green.
Do you have a personal favorite piece which you secretly feel should never sell?
This tiger chair.
Of course, of course. How many pieces have you sold till now?
I think more than 100.
Oh, wonderful. But you want to keep one for yourself, right?
Yes. I feel very royal sitting on this.
Okay, now my next question here is, interesting one. If you could host a celebrity at your store, whom would you want to invite?
Kangana Ranaut. She really loves art.
Okay.
I've seen her visiting lots of beautiful places.
All right.
And she's a politician also.
Okay. So now my next question here is, if you weren't running this store, what you would be doing?
I would be a doctor
Oh, really?
because I like to give life to the art, life to people.
Oh.
That's my passion.
All right. So now your art is giving life to so many homes. So do you have a dream artifact which you wish to design but haven't been able to till now?
Krishna. I think I want to bring a piece of art, a Krishna which speaks of love, which speaks of eternity.
Now my last question, and I'm sure you're going to like it. If you could open a second store anywhere in the world, where would it be?
It would be your city, Chandigarh.
Oh, lovely. Very nice.
I really love the city and I feel people love the art there.
Oh, I hope you do come to Chandigarh very soon with the
Shortly.
store.
Shortly.
Yes, yes. All right. Now that you were so good in your rapid fire round, so I have got a little something for you. As you know, I am also an art lover and love to, self-design and hand-paint certain vintage elements. So I have designed this little piece and I am sure you will love it. And I hope it can find some place in your store also.
It's such a beautiful gesture to have this.
So here this,
Thank you
we call
very
it-
much.
we call it the Shahi Dwar.
Wow,
this
it's
is-
so beautiful.
This is
it really fits into my store.
Yes, it does. And this is inspired from the Havelis and the forts of Rajasthan and Punjab. So this is it.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Navneet.
We've heard the amazing story and gone through this beautiful store. So अब जाने से पहले आप मुझे बताओ, if you could pick up one of the items from this store, which one would you pick up? I am definitely picking up that yellow tiger chair. And yes, people, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, to hit that subscribe button, because we are bringing up lots of inspiring stories in the upcoming episodes. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.